Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and watching my video again. Thank you very much for your patronage. In today's video, I will explain to you a rather interesting term. Nowadays with so many startups coming, so there is this term which is commonly used, which most of us know, and some people they really don't know the meaning of that, and it could be helpful for them to know about this term. I will tell you what is the meaning of angel investor. Are you telling you again? Angel investor. So what is investor? So you have so many startups coming these days. There are so many startups. There are so many technical startups, non-technical startups. Uh, Initially, these startups they need funds. They need funds to set their ground or to start their operations. They don't have funds, and the policies the policies of various banks is such they won't get funds from the banks also, because banks can only lend you in case only after seeing your past performance. They see your past performance, they ask you for the trends for the coming 2 3 years, and on the basis of that banks decide whether to give the loaning or the funding to that company or not. Nowadays, although we have some different schemes run by the government, in which startups can apply for the loans in the various categories, but these schemes are compared to actual required funds by these startups, and these schemes are not even 1% of actual amount needed by the startups. So let us not go into that. Let us just stick to our term angel investor. So angel investor is basically the HNI, or the high net worth individual, a person who has lots of wealth, and one a person who can invest into these startups. So how they invest? They listen to your plans, listen to the plans of the startups, what startups wants to do, and if they like your idea, if they really like your idea, if they want to invest into your ideas, what they do is they put the money into your idea. They put give you the money, and you know they give you money, and they buy equity in your company. They lend you the money, they buy the equity in your company, and that money you can use as you know you can use as the startups can use as working capital. They can put that money, invest that money into their capital expenditures, and that money they can use in kind of initial, you can say, initial funding to run their operations. So an angel investor can either put the money at this, or give the land the money, or give the money to the startups initially, or they can give the money in pieces. They can give the money, percentage of money initially, then after 1 year they will give you the money, the second round of funding, then third round of funding. So it depends on the investor or the angel investor, but initial working capital or the initial funding is there by the angel investor, and for that funding they buy the equity or the stakes in your company. So this is basically angel investor. So angel investor invests in the startups, and they buy this equity in the company or the startups. And of course, I mean, one can only invest in case if they like your ideas. They see the potential that you can have the potential of earning the profits in future. Then only you can get the money from angel investors. So this is basically all about angel investor and how investment is done. So key takeaways I'll tell you about angel investing. An investor is, number one is, an angel investor is basically high net worth individual, that is the HNI. Uh, and angel investing is often the primary source of funding for the startup. So that is very very critical. So, and for the startups, angel is investing is often the primary source of funding for many startups. Third, the support that angel investor provides startup fosters innovation. which translates into economic growth. So basically, whatever money, whatever knowledge angel investors are investing in the startups, they foster the innovation of the startups, and they basically, and which further the growth of the economy. So angel investors are very important part of of the you can say startups and investments. So they are the, as the name suggests, you can make it out from the name itself, angel investors. So they are also called the seed investors. Those, seeding something, you're putting the money as a seed, and sowing the seed, and then only you can reap the harvest. Likewise, seed investors, like putting the money into the idea, and then getting the harvest. That is the company flourishing the company, and earning the profit. So this is all about angel investor and angel investing. I hope you would have understand the term angel investment, or then angel investor. In case you still have any query regarding this term, just write back to me in my comment section. I will try to explain it to you in details. And in case you like my video, please click on the bell icon, and please click on the like button. And I assure you, in future also I will come up with some fantastic videos on financial terms and terminologies. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching.